Oh, yes, Happy New Year. Welcome to our channel, the Buffalo Hunter channel. Thank you for following us. Thank you for liking our page. Thank you for following what we do. Without you, for sure, we cannot be able to do anything. So you are very, very precious to us. Our channel is a general channel. It's a channel that educates, bring satire, bring comic relief. But more so, the most important thing that we do in our channel is to lobby and to raise awareness to everyone about turkey farming. I'm very sure we are doing something depending and basing on what we have been receiving. Turkey farming is not our real thing. It's not our real thing. It started as a side hustle which developed because we started with I was joking, we started with just a feather, but to be serious, we started with one turkey, Tom, and a female one, just for fun. Then after raising the female and the male, we realized that here there is a potential market. There is an area that have not been explored. And therefore, I'm letting you and telling you that there is a future for the turkey farmers. Most of Kenyan citizens are very curious about things. They like trying new things. So we are leaving the traditional way of rearing chickens, and we are focusing now on other major areas. So today, I want to give you some secrets. Our lesson will be about why should we venture turkey farming, and we do more chicken farming. I'm not underrating chicken, but after this lesson, you'll be able to tell me whether you go into this comment section and tell us why should we rely on keep on relying with chicken, and there is another new venture or another better venture than the previous one. So I have said that we started this as a side hustle. Our main issue, our main hustle is education. Therefore, if you see behind me a timetable, because I'm in the office. And as you know, there is CBC, and because of integration of learning, ELA, there is in grade 4, there is agriculture. And in agriculture, so I'm using the student and teaching them to know more in agriculture, practicals. And as you have been, as you know, that each and every school has to align itself with something that they will host as in junior secondary. So I'm thinking our main area will be chicken farming, or more so, things like bird farming. We will progress, and that is the way we think as the director, of course. That is what I'm thinking, that in our school, learners will align themselves in farming, because farming is beautiful and it is also profitable. You have seen the rant about KFC, potatoes, and such things. Farming is sweet. So, let's go straight to our main lesson. Venue, it is St. David Turkey Farm. Therefore, I'm moving to where our birds are. this is the hour they go out so that they can scavenge and collect what the student dropped. It is a symbiotic relationship whereby what the student threw away, the remains of the food, the leftovers, they eat. Now, let's start our lesson. Turkey farming versus chicken farming. Direct to where our turkey